But over the years, over the last 10 years, the steps of Kumchacha, there be a Odimatem, there be a cancer from family, there be Odimatem, but NF, Miss Reka,
a speaker.
Miss Reka, of Kumchacha, me name the Tanya or Su Unimino. Stop Kumchacha, Mentran and Trenda. Stop Kumchacha, Mehuna, and said, yes, you will be your man.
And I make a say, yes, or to send for a contour. Would you be said that no pan, that no, and then they see it.
And then I will see it.
I didn't see it, do call okay, speaker. Yes, see it. It took what one on one, so I say.
Matthias here.
I will say a free information that someone says, Prophet Nigel Gaisie, and they called sermons up my Prophet Kumchacha'S, or your brother, Sammy Jemfini, in-law, and yes, the 50 Sabreno, and the basic and name. You who said, Ghana suffer a more actually, you say, Yahoo, one more, a dinner Kumchacha'S, a chief, and I think so one more. As supported Prophet Nigel Gaisie, they will say free set and some of the buy no. Prophet Nigel Gaisie Abba my updates on several occasions. Saturday course any idea I shall say ba ya one more air patch or send can any day. Then you soft one after me to one answer no and man can answer come here say Prophet Nigel Gaisie second train with an naso and ya just will be Jamunia Jamuchna. Nana will be say one more air patch in nays Abrena na Kumchacha'S air cancer money at the fun of and somewhere any. Edigun and once the good who for the Sabreno. Now one more here a fair. What taking steps and a woman abba ever patch on say and ya dear set over there cinnamon amanaka. There was your kum so baby didn't come up at their fans someone also say. No quite some said then sa aka court sermons no. Na 7 pages and money was say and some money and a quarter days ago. Now rain ya dear and never bought or no Kumchacha'S who way no and count a some naba a court never go. Will be able to cannon and Nebusia Minoka say. One million adding come over our team to come home. Now you could think of the nearby. Very dear chinko too much to me. You could say messages of me subscribers in January. So the bone of the town, son, upload to my pro, not for number one Kai, about and someone.
I'll manage and hear you out, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's been a year. Yeah, Prophet Nigel Gaisie. I personally went to his office now. In the Dean Komo and so on. Now, Prophet, some documents be on social media. I claim say idea now Prophet Kumchacha'S court. Is that coming from your end, please?
Make sure, Mr. Mankwa, make sure Obibia would all her SU and none of it. Now, more commercial message show for a sort of paying for a warm my way. And panelists that sometimes some of them get on my nerves. Make sure when you're I'm sorry back for very old church members. And it will be a none of our connected to the station. And because Ubisamia make us Annie, but I would not like to go deep into it because as some of court this year because officially except Pastor Kumchacha'S has been said. And as you know, if something is in court, then come ask them. The final determination. Let's you, Prophet Kumchacha'S.
Okay. But the last question, because you don't want to go into the details of the matter, and I know there prejudice, and the attorney say, among 4 people who say, well, Mummy Namuya software. Ufiti ya na the court and as you've talked to him and as one man peniophobia bum and still now what do you feel say air cost in our courts?
Okay, and that the first station maybe Abuche by me started maybe Nyami 7 said Nyami Jumaso Ghana me started preaching also out no power mona monya neme akamenkasa.
Yeah, that's it.
More special relationship and respect for my station. Don't be Samia. So when mean personal, me a very calm person. I'm not individualistic. I am a kingdom-minded person. Now, sophobia and a software. na asɔre biara ma asɔre mentite mu menye obi a metite mu sɛ Methodist na media wenya media dabi we Christian. Bible said anybody that comes in the name of the Lord should be accepted. It's uton koko, uton jeno, uton sobolobo, me you attend the enkoya, but mimbu attend ubia media. But over the years, over the last 10 years, the steps of Kumchacha'S, there be a odimatem, there be a cancer from family, there be a odimatem, but Mr.
Speaker.
Mr. Sɔfo Kumchacha'S, menim ne sɛnea ɔse onime no. Sɔfo Kumchacha'S, mentra ne nkyɛn da. Sɔfo Kumchacha'S, mehu na ɛne sɛ yɛhyia wɔ bedwam a bi a yɛtiatia yɛn ho sɛnea nipa bi ahu obi ɛsɛ sɛ wokyia no. Ɛna Mr. I say in all humility. Nipa bɔbra. Mabobra, tepia no family, mo sorry, mo nkofo mo dom, mo nkofo nya medio maba menasia, I'm training them, raising them in the way of the Lord. Tepia na TV so, uti radio so, na udi matem, na kan sama ensem fata se, ye kan fa nipa ho. Enti me pacho, me nya medin so, I'll not go deep, but over the last 9-10 years, whoever matters, as I said, Menene Kasasa or Nesofo said, Kumchacha'S Kasasa Nioyan Menin Dono. My personally, my friend, I can't say, Masofo, Pachonia Menin Dono. Personally, my son friend of Fonso, Metuka, one of the days, Metuka, Mihuno Abonte, Sofo, Niawuyano, Menin Dono. There are some Kumchacha'S sometimes me and me posting on me main pages. So, but main so I stand for the body of Christ. I stand for the body of Christ. We have Penny, we are Kola, whoever you are. I stand for the body of Christ. But Nancy, Emma Obia, me without any provocation. There be now dimatem. No, I'm above brow. I'm sorry to say, Bia. Ebia, moving on me a permanent. Into any Bibia near the Babon. I'm at school. I went to Lagos. I'm a graduate from University of Ghana. Me no back, member Abuche, Omoko school Abuche, Mitia Abuche school fees. More family, more responsible people in my church. And on my way, Mr. Account, Mr. What to me in a mere for Mujon Monaso Mapa, me prophet Nigel Gaisie, me Kahumbi. Me pacho for 10 years, Nipa back, who bet show up now. It's too much. And yes, to cry, obey give you up.
Okay.
And yes, to cry, obey give you up.
Very well.
The OB, yes, I said, my catcher and so on, this soft one and Casa, Neo, no many and Jono. Me pacho my. And don't forget, I have investment. I have other businesses that I have to protect it. Now, what a man has is integrity and reputation. And your man will move over the years. The normal you suffer, the normal you
So, who name me very well. You will know that I'm a serious person. I'm a serious man of God. I'm not one of the people respectfully to submit that is playing with his life or his ministry.
Yeah.
And only me very well now. Even if you don't know me and you are at a distance, now we have a Juman Yame family so that we won't say respectfully. Men to me who has into media me bubia na me support bia, but maintenance ma ubi embe family name entry film. Maintenance ma ubi embe tena me console. Maintenance. Emma ejuma nyame fa me so aye no ma assignment no maintenance ma obi embe what they say, they will always be putting mud in your they will always be lying on you, maligning you, sending people to come and say silly things about you, character assassination. I, Nigel Gaisie, will not sit down for that.
Okay.
Because I'm educated, education boxes me not to do certain things. Because of my training, I'm from a home, I'm not from a house. And because I fear God, there are things that means me for come and see me so and all that. But I'll use the legal way or the relevant courts to seek for redress. Nyame adwuma no already day. So for be a tiemia, obi enjai obi no obi anya n'adwuma. Bible said the house of a great man we have vessels of wood, silver and gold. And yet, you might not like Bishop Dag because of Ekoko, but Yenja Bishop Dag no Nejuma. You may not like Bishop Alfred Poku because of Ekasi, Yenja no Nejuma. Umpe will suffer Nigel Asem because of Ekapim, Yenja no Nejuma. Bible says Yenja Ubia no Nejuma, no trap Brenny Dua, and Onunya be decided. Let's live. And the Constitution of Ghana allow for tolerance and freedom of worship. So him say, and I won't say Obia a mistake. Na ebu emra to send ya so for Kumchacha'S will bu emre. Machine before the law court because after 10 years, 9 years, you took me behind the court and then I can say Mimpesa. He's still not respecting it. He has infringed upon my unalienable rights and your friend is saying me liberties. That one, if we go to court, which we are going to court. That one he has breached.
Okay.
But memma being sorry. Now we are you say and then we are you say. Look at Oman Obi Adren home. Obi Adren home. Nurses for come wajuma. Doctor for come wajuma. I saw for we a prophet be in your lane. We are apostle be in your lane. We a teacher be in your lane. We a prophet. Let's allow people to work. Let's tolerate and appreciate each other's authority, each other's assignment, each other's office. Nayem build or mine.
Okay.
Present ne no says opposition yes says no says I have for yes says no says moye. I saw for no aye. I saw for a D4 Ghana, just a selected few. Among the Mukwana Mopesa Moya so for Nipa Bako answer intimate Katanya me any.
Exactly.
Mumo Bia Yenejuma. Akwala ba mumonye nejuma openyin so mumonye nejuma ba me Nigel de me bo bia sofo adina sare me sofo victory obia me sofo.
Okay, very well.
Obia obo Yesu din me papa obi obo Yesu din me mame and am pombo Yesu din po na ye Ghana nu ye nipa niti esesa me de man say nipa no me de man. Let's have peace of mind. Yen obi and sofo we no etua blogger no etua and mache manasa no snake case e court it men kan wasem. Other remands is here.
Okay.
Other remands is here. And as I TikTok kolana, instead of them learning from Omoma Bobra, they are serious with their life. No magic sikan kete, no more seni pan. Sesia Emaya Juma Ogana. Sesia ya passing the Seba debe with your friend say law. Oko be one sem bon ube try sem to be so. Would you be sika? No, oji sofo bi sika, oji na be say businessman bi, ube say pehin bi ana obi o man ma, ye cho kokota, kai se nkwa na ba kodem. Se se amanasa dem ne nkwa no dem, ana osuma no oda ni fi.
Okay.
Ndi pacho yenja na obi anya na adwuma. Amankwa wo ye wadwuma no pa yenja na ye wadwuma. Kwame and the na adwuma, obi anya na adwuma. Let's allow people to do their work. Okay. Let's allow people to be. So be a mistake, young friend on near to so I am mistake a boy, I am any ninja. By an social media, then not away or sorry, I didn't. They say conform by trying to send a social mobile after COVID and be my. People are trying to put food on the table. Oh, unka ubia near do attempt. We say, why you say, hey, yo, look, make call TikTok. I am a time. Say, I'm in call TikTok. The same Ghana 4 years be pray and memory the youths, a lot of them. Ghana for more broche. The same be TikTok. It is not nice. Okay. Let's build. Let's build. Ghana for let's build. Ghana need let's clap for each other. Let's tolerate each other. Let's appreciate each other. Yes, criticize. But criticize constructively, not destructively.
Very well.
All of us cannot be one. Let's appreciate each other's sweat. Let's appreciate each other's labor. And the nation will be the best that all of us are praying and desiring for.
Thank you very much. Thank you. But speaking to Prophet Kumchacha'S now, what you say? He didn't mention anything. But do you recall say why the payana?
Also, like I said, assembly of court. The name of the game is evidence.
Okay.
Me so for now can as meaning is baby. Apart from saying meaning shall be jama no meaning any engagement.
Very well.
The name, I'm a educated person. I'm very so the name of the game is evidence.
Evidence, okay.
I have my evidence. So we are going to court.
Thank you very much. Now, Prophet, over free Kumasi Dabe, NAI.
Oh, me fi Kumasi, me fi Kumasi. Friday, Saturday na me feel ho.
Okay, very well.
Nyamia do Accra around 4 a.m.
Okay.
On Sunday and upon it so Kumasi Road no terrible me cars ni na ties papa but I'm lawyer Sami Jemfi don't see we didn't mind I will encourage say obi oba Kumasi and oko Kumasi biano. I check your ties because road near a bit terrible. But I saw say I saw some more into we're gonna be better, we'll all be better.
Okay.
Can I go now?
You can go, but you promised us last year when we came there, say we'll have an interview with you. So I think the promise now is still there. Until anytime we come, we'll have an interview with you.
I am always your servant, sir.
Okay. Very well. Thank you very much for having me.
Before I'd like to pass this few comments. Nyamisha lawyer Sami Jemfi and near spectacular will put you up in honor of the in-law. And Nyamisha Ghana Nibia. And I would like to use your respectable platform to advise the youth of Ghana. Say, please, they should look for productive ventures and undertake. The youth of Ghana, they should use social media well. Let's use social media well. Let's use social media well.
Okay.
Because whilst we are playing and joking, other people elsewhere are not playing and joking.
Okay.
Bible says a night is coming, we cannot work. Whilst it is day, let's do the work of he that sent us. Every youth listening and watching me or who get the benefit of this interview, Prophet Nigel may challenge you, say, do something with your life productively. Do something with your life. Use your hours, your energy, your time productively. Don't malign people. Don't denigrate people. Don't lie on people. The Lord bless Ghana. The Lord bless the present opposition and everybody that is a Ghanaian around the world. The Lord bless all. Thank you, sir.
Lord bless Prophet Nigel Gaisie. Thank you for having time with us.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Prophet Nigel Gaisie. And
Ejabusia empenifo se insota pontreni a waje wot mo se senior Prophet Nigel Gaisie kasara se ade no ayade a ata no ache ntafe de waje wo edu sabre ya se ade hini pa ma ne bro so a edu wa eya na atenka no ete yira obaga se nipa na bia woni nuhu woni atenka woni tima mo bibase e bia na enyema na akoso no wa habo ade no woni mu ama na che te basa na se wo strike here eya bibia ntimi enso ano sa state ni bi and I Ghana fortress Prophet Nigel Gaisie we do asabe de oche say she ni kwa betimi ama asem no akwakoda je se embra no akwakoda bibia eda na busua Prophet Nigel Gaisie kan nsem wie no out in side for Kumchacha'S then the ko bisa ne say aso krata no saka na no yie ben e na wo dem
oya krata che say udia Prophet Nigel Gaisie e do ko ye court
awo menya
what's 10 million Ghana cedis no je free because what the family or just 10 million Ghana cedis because what will you feel
you me that say make sure you what you for na o so dini o ma wo nyina so me chichi a wo nyina na ade o se court de wudi kai o court interest wudi dem wudi kai interest wudi dem ana wo kwa invie kanea any police station kanea interest wudi dem iti baby a obi se waka se tia no any ade se e wo de obi ono so ye ya ono so e be tro bibi fa ho ana obeka fa ho iti ende wo so wo de wo wasam na wo so abobo ano na wo so wo de akọ na wo de ama wo lawyer na wo lawyer ko de akọ iti ende me no I don't have any problem bi ase court de ya papa judges no and when you for the court wa o tie benkum etie ni fansa mtu obi ka se waka bibi afa me ho na sama o ka fa no do wako nyina koto a e do be koto no di obuo e be ma koto no wakona o akwa chele no wase ma na sa wo lawyer be ko na wo lawyer chele na se mo nti we dia nya big deal kora.
Okay, now again, Prophet Nigel Gaisie so kafa ho na watch off ho.
Okay.
Again, watch off ho na so waka fa ho.
Oh, that is a way there. Ono na de ni abanti me so. Edu ono mo a me so de yakwo bo ano. A wo so wo pesa wo de ma online na de se na eko. E de no de se be. Okundi a de se oni obi ko se so wo mani ho wa kundi ani mani ya. Enti me ni problem. Speaker, me program kete kura. And I will just a woo studio ni. Ana wo premier me pese me kasa pa okra. But to be wo bi se wo do kokotwa. Die di kan sabi. O fa na die. E bi mo o fa na yele. Sabi undi na wu. O se kasa. Wa kasa etia no. Wa kasa etia no so wo do kokotwa se. Sabi udu kokotwa. Uchele mu chele otemu afọ na wo ya chele mu a eno ano no enya speaker
Wo share ye rate mu a enzema wakai na wakai
o se nsema okai mekai
de meka ye krata ni enzema waka se wakai na wakai
ensem bai na wase maka so se madina tem na sabi ya se no kwato se enipa mi no ntokwa no what is said that no dey na see here what you say
obeka say asasem we enka woni reverend osu bempa na na prophet Kumchacha'S de obeye de bewum
enna me ka say yes wo kwato se nkofo ntokwa wo dey bisa say that no dey na see here
enti na no dey na see here
enti dey see here no edu kwato wo mo
okay
speaker
yeah
the see no edu kwato wo mo so aka say
Matias
na the see no what say ya wa niema bi wo mo o de me mami fo bi se free game da na dey na see here enti the see here the court to the me ka say court to say ahemfie the police station ahemfo ni mpanifo tete wo no wo ni mu de eni to be ka say wo de wa ko wo no ne ade a ya fra wa wo di obuo be ma wo man ne mra sabe wo ya le kora mpo a na wo ntumi nkwa wo lo ya betumi atro ana wo lo ya betumi de letter ko akogire ma ma ne ya di obuo respect ama wo man no mra eni ya papa judges no eno say wo say wa ka say tia wa ka bibia gu no fi okwa wa kwa chere wo nsem na de wo no so ka fa wo ho na wo so de proof no ama na wa chere na ya kama okay ya so that ya big deal speaker sabe Ghana so court the obi to be obi court and then said that ya big deal
and so we say Prophet Kumchacha'S so and we no so actually nsem no mo chere say we are say so di kan court na we lead them to the fact say Prophet Nigel Gaisie actually di kan and na kwa di na court no and chere say nsem no Prophet Nigel Gaisie edibo enkunu say he who alleges must prove it say one I will say waka nsem edibo hu fidi ene bra na ebe chere nsem kwa waka edibo hu fidi no na Ghana fo bi chere say we no anka wo ya asofo mienu e na enya asem na mpanifo say asono mienu ko a eya na sensen e wo ho ne huna mane nti we no akwakwa ya asofo mienu a wo nya tokwa say no eya na eye sorry ma na edi wo gbachi no wo mo e na e bia nsem yi e ho tansa lo kwakwa bo mo tika wo mo hwe so mo nyina banu masumdwe bu ase Prophet Kumchacha'S ebeja tum say nsem a meken man kan ye me pacho na ka Prophet Nigel Gaisie so aja tum say o ye me nua pani sofo e na wo kan nsem bi fa no afa de me so meje mediacha aka sumdwe ba na kan ne we twi ne ha wo china we twi na basasa no na ka tu twa na so mo say wo mo nti ase de enye no nti e na sabo mu nia e de mani akwakochi mu ko tebusua ye ni din sem na chi ye me pimo ba no ye ma wasumdu ye de ba na da ba besum no message so be your comment or comment section ho e de ma all the social media handles no too much gh. Go subscribe, like, share. Now, for so you be a share. My crowd.